Greetings. Nahe Survey Moodinets. I'm Michael, and I'll tell you about the International Wakashan AI Consortium. Let's talk about our team. The most important members are the Makah and Kwak-Wakiwak. Their Wakashan homeland spans the northwestern American and Canadian border. I'm a Northern Cheyenne and Lakota who was raised in Montana in my mother's village without regular water or electricity. Naturally, I have a master's in computer science and work in the tech industry on voice AI. The mathematician Dr. Sosi is Dene in Little Shao and is an MIT alumni. Caroline is Abzalika and speaks 11 languages. Finally, Dr. Quinn has a postdoc from MIT and has spent his life studying and reawakening Algonquin languages. These people are geniuses, and we are uniquely qualified to build and make kin with artificial intelligence. For the last 6 years, we have been pursuing a vision for immersive language technology. Imagine being able to put on a headset and be transported to the uncolonized prairie and participate in a Lakota bison hunt. Or, with your phone, explore downtown Seattle and hear your ancestors in Lashutsi. This is not fantasy. The VR and AR technology exists except one critical element: automatic speech recognition, or ASR. To build ASR, you need a large, annotated, or transcribed audio library, a AI technology, and of course, AI technicians. The most obvious challenge is lack of resources like internet, computers, and even like my Cheyenne village, no electricity. Additionally, many indigenous languages are at risk of going silent. The Cheyenne have around 500 fluent speakers, while the Makah have 16. But the biggest barrier to ASR is fundamental. Indigenous languages are not English. Many standard voice AIs implicitly assume that all languages are like English, which is okay if you speak standard average European, as the linguists put it. Many indigenous languages cannot use standard ASR techniques because they are polysynthetic. Current ASR assumes that languages have a finite dictionary of words, but these languages have as many words as there are stars in the sky. This is because they create single words out of meaningful elements that are separate words of an English sentence. Of course, we can't forget language data is sacred. Our data contains sacred stories and audio from elders who have passed. We can't let others steal our identity like Sitting Bull's winter count. Why is a Montana boy working with Wakashan languages? Firstly, these communities want to work with us. Also, these languages are well researched. They have hundreds of hours of audio in the archive and collectively have a large speaking community. Furthermore, because Makah and Wakashan languages are highly polysynthetic, this solution will contribute to the broader indigenous language research community working to build ASR for polysynthetic languages across our globe. Why does this matter? We must own our own destiny and not rely upon outsiders to build a technological narrative. Otherwise, we risk becoming museum pieces. Thank you.